FORZA installing vertical display. Display bracket. Screws. Disassemble FORZA interface cover by pushing up the cover in the direction of the arrow. Disassemble the top cover of the FORZA stand. Disassemble the RAM cover. Disconnect the display cable from the main board. Push the display upward to separate by pressing back lever. Assemble the display bracket. Tighten the enclosed screw. Assemble the display vertically. Tighten the enclosed coin screw. Connect the display cable. Align the cable. Assemble the RAM cover. Assemble the top cover. Assemble by placing FORZA interface cover in the direction of the arrow. Vertical screen setting. Disassemble FORZA interface cover. Connect the power cable. Assemble FORZA interface cover. Turn on the power. Touch the screen, then click Display Settings. Click Orientation. Click Portrait Flipped. Click Apply. Click Keep Changes.